How to download and install GTA Vice City in Windows 11 PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to download and install GTA Vice City on Windows 11 PC. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, navigate to Windows search icon at bottom left and type in Steam. Now click on open once you get it under best match. Now you can easily head to the library section, or you can even go to the store. You can navigate to the search icon at top right corner of your screen and type in Grand Theft Auto Vice City, and you need to click on the first option, this one. Then you will navigate to this page of GTA Vice City where you have to enter your date of birth if prompted, and then click on View Page to proceed. Once done, scroll down. Now click on the option of Add to Cart, and you need to go to your cart and select Purchase for myself. And now you need to simply choose a payment method. So you can easily scroll down, and then here you can see that you need to purchase it for $44.99. You can easily choose a payment method like Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, or Club Points. And then you need to enter your payment details and complete the transactions. Once purchased, you need to go to library, click install, and wait for the download to finish. So this is quite simple process in order to download and install GTA Vice City in your Windows 11 PC. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.